Hey guys, and welcome back. Thank you for being here at Forex Prop Reviews. We're giving you all sorts of review videos, comparisons, deep dive into prop trading firms around the world. This time we've got another comparison video for you between two of what we feel are some of the top prop trading firms out there. These are E8 Funding and the Prop Trading. We're going to compare them on some general company details. We're going to look at their trading objectives, what they're offering to traders, community feedback that each firm receives. So, as always, stick around to the end. We've got discount codes for both prop trading firms for you. But let's dive straight into the comparison between these two firms. All right, just starting with some very general company details. E8 Funding, they were incorporated in November 2021, while the prop trading started operating in February 2020. So the incorporation difference is about a year and a half in favor of the prop trading, which can be seen clearly in the amount of feedback from their community as we get to later in the video. Regarding CEOs and who's running the show, E8 Funding, they're being run by Dylan El-Khami with his team, while the prop trading CEO is Will Gomez. When looking at office locations, each prop trading firm is located on a different continent. We've got E8 Funding located in the USA, in Dallas, Texas, while the prop trading is in Brisbane, Australia. And just having a look at the both prop trading firms' maximum allocation capital that they allow traders to work with. We've got E8 Funding allowing traders to work with capital up to $1 million USD, while the prop trading caps the maximum allocation capital at $500,000 USD. And then after that mark, you can continue to scale your account with no maximum upside limit. So plenty of potential there with the prop trading. Let's have a look at the different funding programs. As always, there's different structures. You can find lots of different types of funding programs, from one-step, two-step evaluation, direct funding, assessment management in some cases. E8 Funding, they offer traders a chance to choose between two-step funding programs called E8 Evaluation and Elevate programs. Both funding programs are two-step evaluation challenges that have only really one difference, which is their scaling plan in the Elevate program. We're not going to be going into detail with that today. That is for another video. But the prop trading, they offer traders only a two-step evaluation program. All right, let's have a look at the trading objectives. As always mentioned in our comparisons, we could go through so many different aspects, but these are the ones that we feel are really important to have a look at and put up against each other. Keeping in mind these important rules and guidelines, let's have a look. Just quickly note that since both prop trading firms, they have a two-step evaluation program, that's the one that we're going to be comparing. So all of these trading objectives are to do with their two-step evaluation programs. Starting with profit targets, we've got both prop trading firms have precisely the same profit targets of 8% in phase 1 and 5% in phase 2. So no difference there. Maximum daily loss limit is also the same, with both prop firms set at 5%. However, when we look at the maximum loss limit, we can see E8 Funding has a limit of 8%, while the prop trading has a limit of 10%, so a little bit more leeway with the prop trading. We also see that there are no minimum trading day requirements for both, and the maximum trading day periods are 30 calendar days in phase 1 and 60 calendar days in phase 2. So no differences there. And you can also see we've got an identical profit split at 80%. So take your pick with both of these prop firms. They're pretty much running on almost identical parameters, all bar the maximum loss, which is still only a 2% difference. So a little bit more leeway with prop trading, but they're pretty much the same. So not too much to differentiate there with E8 Funding and prop trading. So let's have a look at the prices and see what we've got up for grabs there as well. So we've got E8 Funding slightly more expensive compared to the prop trading. Both prop firms share the following account sizes: 25K, 50K, and 100K. So let's go through the prices for these three account sizes that they do share. We've got the 25K account of E8 Funding costing $228, while the prop trading $25,000 account costs $209. A little bit cheaper. The 50K E8 Funding account costs $338, while the prop trading 50K account costs $299. A little bit cheaper again. The E8 Funding 100K account costs $588, while the prop trading 100K account costs $499. And then we've got the Elevate 100K account, which is the scaling account, has a one-time price of $888. So the prop trading, a little bit cheaper on all of their evaluation prices. So take that how you will. But again, all of these prices can be factored in with the discounts that we give you, so they can all be a little bit cheaper as well if you are going to go with one of these prop trading firms. Now, when it comes to trading platforms and brokers, both prop firms are different in what they're running. E8 Funding is partnered with a tier 1 liquidity provider that does give them direct market access, while the prop trading uses the broker's capital. Trading platforms, where you can see that E8 Funding allows you to trade on MetaTrader 4, while the prop trading only allows traders to use MetaTrader 5. So that's going to come down to personal preference there. When I'm looking at trading instruments, well, we've got a whole lot of yes, you can. E8 Funding and the prop trading, they allow you to trade a very wide range of instruments. They both allow you to trade Forex pairs, commodities, indices, crypto, and stocks. So you've got plenty of options for both of these firms. As you can see so far, they're pretty similar, both of these firms, in all of what they're offering. Not a whole lot to differentiate them at all. Commissions, though, that might change that narrative. When we're looking at commissions, you can see that E8 Funding charges you between $3 and $5 per round lot for Forex pairs, while the prices for commodities, indices, crypto, and stocks do vary, so can't give you a specific amount there. The prop trading, on the other hand, well, they don't charge you any commissions at all for any of their trading instruments that they allow you to trade. I would consider this a major positive for the prop trading, especially for scalpers and day traders. No commissions is very rare and pretty nice, I will admit. Last thing we're going to take a quick look at is their community feedback. TRUSTPILOT, pretty reliable for it, gives a lot of information, a bit of an idea about the positives and negative features of a prop firm. So at the time of recording, we have E8 Funding has a rating of 4.8 out of 5 from 275 reviews, so a great median score. Prop trading, they have a average score of 4.5 out of 5 from vastly more reviews at 776. Again, as I mentioned earlier in the video, the main difference in the number of reviews is the fact that the prop trading has been operating for about 18 months more compared to E8 Funding. However, despite the difference, I would expect to continue to see lots of great reviews coming in for both of these prop firms. They're both legitimate, very trustworthy, and they're being used by many Forex traders worldwide already. But do yourself a favor, go onto TrustPilot and have a look at some of the reviews firsthand so you can see for yourself. Well, nice and succinct and to the point, but which one do you think is better? They're both pretty similar in a lot of their components that we went through today, lots of identical things. Really, only some of the minor differences was the maximum loss rule that we went over before. E8 Funding, there was 8%. The prop trading, 10%. They were different in terms of their brokers and their trading platforms. A little bit different in terms of their commissions, but they both allow you to trade a very wide range of instruments. In fact, they allow you to trade them all. And that's really about it, apart from their community feedback was a little bit more in terms of the prop trading, because they have been around for a bit longer, but they both have great scores of 4.5 and 4.8 out of 5 respectively. So you're in good hands with both of these. And we can safely say that they are excellent choices for any trader. But let us know in the comments which one you prefer, or if you've got some feedback from one of these prop trading firms, we'd love to know. Thank you as always for watching. Get your hands on the discount codes. I'm going to put them in the description below so you can utilize those and get these ones a bit cheaper. As always, please give us a thumbs up if you've enjoyed the content. Subscribe to watch more comparisons as well as reviews and deep dives about Forex trading firms. But thank you again for being here. I'll see you in the next one.